Cahard Tool, Military Quality, Jiande Cahard Industrial Company Limited. Cahard is a high-tech enterprise that specializes in R&D, production and sales of stone quarrying wire saws, abnormity machine wire saws, block shaping wire saws, diamond combination wire saws, concrete cutting rope saws, diamond thin wall bits, and diamond circular saw blades. The company covers an area of more than 30,000 square meters, of which scientific research covers more than 5,000 square meters, and is one of the few innovative diamond tool manufacturing enterprises in China. The company has 13 national patents, including 3 invention patents, 8 utility model patents, and 2 appearance patents. Every year, over 10% of the funds are used to develop new products and new technologies. By investing heavily in research and development, Cahard gains a technological cutting edge, which is the foundation of its rapid development. Cahard includes 2 major business sectors: diamond tool manufacturing and cutting construction. It has revolutionarily realized combination of tools and factory. The company has more than 100 units of all kinds of cutting equipment and a construction team of more than 200 people. By producing and using our own diamond tools, we can get the most directly feedbacks about the product use effect from the construction site. We believe that diamond tool users understand tools best, and Cahard tailor-makes diamond wire saws according to different variety stones of different hardness, helping customers to improve the cutting efficiency, reduce the cutting cost, and solve cutting problems, and such characteristic service is the first in the industry. Cahard adheres to an ever-innovative enterprise spirit. No need for after-sales service is the service concept pursued by Cahard. And the business philosophy of Cahard is to let our cooperative clients benefit first. Cahard actively carries out international exchange and cooperation and has established an extensive technical exchange and cooperation relationship with China University of Geosciences. At present, Cahard products have been exported to over 30 countries and regions in the world, and Cahard Diamond Tools with international quality has become an indicator of quality in the stone quarrying and processing field and the reinforced concrete cutting field. And therefore, Cahard is known as a special force in diamond tools and as China's famous brand. Perseverance and carve out the ways to the world by virtuous conducts. Keeping pace with China's technological accumulation and progress in diamond tools manufacturing industry, Cahard will make contributions to Chinese diamond tool enterprises' rise in the world.